Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Vivo Y58 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, incorrect password entered. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power key together. Now tap to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. And you can see it will send you in Vivo 5G fast boot mode. You can see reboot and recovery mode. Now volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So now go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see now you are in Vivo 5G recovery. Here you can see install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, and on bottom power off and restart is available. Tap on clear data. So you can see clear cache and clear all data. Simply tap on clear all data. So here you can see on bottom, clear all data. All data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Now tap on OK. So here you can see clearing data. Do not use the device. And you can see all data cleared. Now tap on return. Go back and restart your device. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset, if it again asks for password, pin or pattern, use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo Y58 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.